Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Huawei P30 Pro. And yeah, let's come to the first point. We will find it on the camera. And if you go now here on more, and one of them is the AR lens, so the augmented reality lens. And if you tap on it, you have many sweet animals or robots and so on and so on. And if I turn it like this, so this cherry or the penguin or the dog will speak like me. And of course you can record it also, and you can make very sweet videos. Now I'm turning my head and the front cam is really realize it and so on and so on. It's a very nice feature, and you can send really some very cute videos to your friends. Okay, this was a bit like a game, yeah, but I think it's a cute tool. And yeah, let's come to a useful tool in the settings, because if your battery is going down fast, then you have here the opportunity to see the battery usage in the settings. And here you can see what takes the most battery actually here on my phone. And of course, because we are using the camera a lot, the camera. And yeah, I have here also the hardware part, so which one use it from the hardware as much, and the screen of course. And yeah, so a very nice tool. And if you see here the battery percent, and below you will see the time remaining. And if you need more duration, then you can have here the power saving mode or the ultra power saving mode. If you enable this one, the screen will turn completely in black, and that saves a lot of energy. And we have the most useful I can see already with the phone, the message and the contacts. And you can add here also 3 icons. You have free choice. Maybe let's take WhatsApp, Amazon maybe, and a clock. And if you want to change it later, you can go just here on the pen to change it later here. Maybe if you don't want to have the clock again, then remove it and add another feature, maybe like the calendar or something like this, you know what I mean. So this saves a lot of energy, and maybe one day your life. Okay, if you want to exit that mode, so just go here on that feature and go here on exit, and you are back in the regular mode. Okay, the next feature is also a very nice feature, and a useful one as well, I think. And for that we go on the settings, then we go on the point smart assistance, and we have here the point voice control. First of all, you have to allow some stuff, and I want to show you this one, the voice wake up. If you enable this voice wake up now, you have here the opportunity to find your phone. Now, let us enable it first. You have to agree the terms and conditions, and now you have to say something. Okay, Amy. Okay, Amy. Okay, Amy. Okay, now we have recognized our voice, and if we enable now this find your phone, then we have to say just, okay, Amy, where are you? Okay, Amy, where are you? And this is a very useful tool if you have lost your phone in your house or somewhere else. And he is getting louder and louder and louder, and you can find your phone with that. That's a very nice tool. Okay, let me show you the next feature. Maybe if you are in the text messages, watching your messages and so on, you can also split the screen if you use the knuckle like this. So put it across the screen, and you have the opportunity to choose in second app. Now I can be in my messages and surf on Amazon at the same time. If you want to stop it, I just go here on that bar and go here on the X, or go down like this, and I'm back in my messages on the full screen. So a nice tool. The next feature is also nice because if you have maybe 2 WhatsApp accounts or 2 Facebook accounts, you have the opportunity to clone these apps. So for that we go to the settings, then we go on the point apps, and then we need the point app twin, and here and here we can now enable the second apps we want to have, maybe like Facebook, let's take all Messenger, and also WhatsApp. Okay, and as you can see here now on the second page, we have now 2 WhatsApp accounts, 2 Messenger account, and 2 Facebook accounts. The second one you can recognize always with the number 2 here. And in case you want to remove it, just hold it and go here on delete, and then we will ask you if you really want to delete that WhatsApp twin, then it will be deleted and the original WhatsApp account will be completely on the phone. The same also with Facebook and so on and so on. And if you want, you can also disable them again in the app twin in the settings. Then just off it and go and close, and then you have just the original app. So it's especially very good if you have a dual SIM phone, because then you could use also for each SIM card an own WhatsApp account. Okay, the next feature is also very nice because as you know, the phone is very big, and I have large hands, but it's also impossible for me to reach every point of the display with my thumb. So in case I want to have it a bit smaller, so it is named the one-handed mode, then I can swipe from the right to the left or from the left to the right in the middle, like this. I have it here for left-handed people, the same thing I could use also for the right one. And if you want to exit, just go here on the black point, and it's like this. If I want to have it for my right hand, I go like this, and I have it now here for my right thumb, and I can reach now much more than before. And as I said, if you want to exit that mode, just tap here on the blanket one. And of course, you can also take a picture of the screen. So let me show you how you can do that screenshot. For that, we need the power button and the volume down button, and if you press these both buttons, we have a screenshot. Otherwise, you could use also the knuckle. It's a very famous feature for Huawei phones. If you double knock on the phone, you have a screenshot as well. One more time, double tap and you have a screenshot. And if you want to edit the screenshot, you just tap on the preview and you have now the opportunity to edit it, and you can crop it and so on and so on. And if you're ready, you go just here on share or here to confirm it. And Huawei likes the knuckle, so let us make our own creation with the knuckle. Knock the screen and make your own creation, and we have it like this. Hey, it's an apple, huh? Okay, but this is a Huawei phone, and if we don't like our own creation, we can have here a rectangle, a circle, or a heart for my subscribers and viewers. And yeah, and you can find that at the gallery later. If you're going on the gallery, it has its own category named screenshots in that folder here. Okay, and if you want to make a video of your screen, of course, it is also possible. For that, we need the power button and the volume up button. So, and then we have here the screen recording. For the first time, you have to enable some stuff like the storage and the microphone. And I did that already. And now my screencast is running. Here on the corner, I can off the microphone as well. And on it, of course, again. And if I want to stop it, I just go here on the recording and it has stopped. I could use, of course, also the knuckles here, but I have to use 2 knuckles. If I tap now with the 2 knuckles on the screen, my screen recording is also here. My screen recording I have also started. And same thing, I can off the microphone and so on. If I want to stop it, I could double tap here and I have stopped it as well. I can stop it also with the button method and so on and so on. And after, I will find them in the gallery as well at the videos. Okay, as you know, the Pro version have 4 cameras. This zoom camera is very nice here. Below it is a real optical zoom, but this feature is actually not available, but very soon with an update. So I will show you it in another video, but I want to show you the wide angle cam. And okay, let me show you that feature here on my little monchishi, on the monkey. So this is the regular mode here, and this is the white mode. So I have much more on the screen. So this is the more detailed cam, and this is the white cam here. And yeah, on the landscape you can see it much better, but actually I'm here in my little room and have not much opportunity to show you that. And but try that feature, it is awesome. Like the next one, it's also part of the camera. Let me build up something first. Okay, welcome to the last point. I want to show you also a feature of the camera, and let's go to that symbol here on the top. It looks like an eye, and first of all you have to confirm a lot on the lot, and I have here a translation program. And if I'm now here in my little book and hold it like this, the book is written in German, he will transfer that written words in English. And yeah, so a very nice feature if you're maybe if you have a magazine or a big poster and you want to see what's written on it, and you can use that tool. So very nice. And of course I have also a QR code reader here, and I want to say thank you so much for watching Phones and More. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could show you something new with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or leave me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested, then I may just subscribe me. Would be very nice to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.